Now in question number 8, we are given two functions fx and gx, and alpha is the region where mod x is less than equal to 3 by 4 and y is minimum of fx and gx. So what we'll do is we'll draw the graph of fx and gx. So first we'll draw these x's. Now for gx, when x is 0, this value is 2. So when x is 0, this value is 2. And when x is 3 by 4, this value is 0. So it will be 0 at 3 by 4 and will also be 0 at minus 3 by 4, and all other places it will be simply 0. So this blue graph is the graph of this function gx. And we draw this fx, it is simply x square shifted 5 by 12 units. So it will be this graph. Now we need to find minimum of fx and gx. So if we look at minimum of fx and gx, it will be this value here, this graph here, and this graph here. Now y lies from 0 to minimum of this value. So that means we are looking for this area. Now there is a definite symmetry in this question. So area on the left is same as area on the right. So what we'll do is we'll simply solve area on the right, and for this we'll find this point of intersection. So this curve fx is x square plus 5 by 12, and it will be equal to this straight line which is 2 and then 1 minus 4x by 3. Now this is 12x square plus 5, and this is equal to, now this is 6 into 4 is 24 minus 32x. So it will be this 12x square plus 32x minus 19 equals 0. Now this is 38 minus 6. So it will be this 12x square plus 38x minus 6x minus 19 equals 0. Now discarding negative value, we'll get value of x as 1 by 2. So for this, value of x is 1 by 2. And we put x as 1 by 2, it will be 1 by 4 plus 5 by 12, and there will be simply 8 by 12, which is 2 by 3. So this point is 1 by 2 comma 2 by 3. Now we'll find this area. Now this area, it will be 2 times, and then from here to here we'll integrate this parabola. It will be this integral from 0 to 1 by 2 x square plus 5 by 12 dx, and then plus 2 into area of this triangle, and area of this triangle is 1 by 2 into, now this is 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2, it will be 1 by 4 into this height, which is 2 by 3. Now this is 2 and this is x cube upon 3, and x cube upon 3 is 1 by 24 plus 2 into 5 by 12 into 1 by 2 plus, and this value is simply 1 by 6. Now this 2 and 2 will cancel, and this is also 1 by 12. Now this is 5, 7 and 8. So it will be simply 8 by 12, which is 2 by 3. So value of alpha is 2 by 3. Now we need to find the value of 9 alpha. Value of 9 alpha is simply 6. And that is the answer to this question.